When shopping for rose quartz, it's important to consider whether you're purchasing genuine pieces, as some retailers may sell fake versions of the pink crystal prized for its elegance and healing properties. Real rose quartz ranges from light to dark pink and often appears cloudy or milky due to inclusions. While fake versions tend to be brightly colored and transparent, authentic stones usually have fibrous inclusions, lack bubbles, can scratch glass, and feel cooler and heavier compared to glass. They are often irregularly shaped, especially when raw, and do not melt under heat. To avoid fakes, buy from certified sellers with good reviews, be cautious of low prices, and inquire about the stone's origin, as most authentic rose quartz comes from North America, Madagascar, and Brazil.